Dependabot is a powerful tool integrated into GitHub that helps automate the process of keeping dependencies up to date. It scans your project's dependencies for outdated versions, vulnerabilities, and licensing issues, and then creates pull requests to update them. This automation is crucial for maintaining the security and compliance of your software projects, especially when dealing with open source components. In this presentation, we will explore how Dependabot can be leveraged to automate the analysis of licensing, vulnerabilities, and versioning of open source components, ensuring your projects remain secure and compliant. Managing dependencies is a critical aspect of software development. Dependencies can introduce vulnerabilities, licensing issues, and compatibility problems if not properly managed. Open source components, while beneficial, can be particularly challenging due to their public nature and the frequency of updates. Dependabot helps mitigate these risks by automating the process of monitoring and updating dependencies, ensuring that your project uses the latest, most secure versions of its components. This not only enhances security, but also ensures compliance with licensing requirements and reduces the risk of integration issues. Dependabot operates by regularly scanning your project's dependency files, such as package.json for JavaScript projects or pom.xml for Java projects. It checks for outdated dependencies, known vulnerabilities, and licensing issues. When it finds an issue, Dependabot automatically creates a pull request to update the dependency to a secure and compliant version. These pull requests include detailed information about the changes, the impact on your project, and any potential risks. This automation saves developers time and effort, allowing them to focus on writing code rather than managing dependencies. Setting up Dependabot in your GitHub repository is straightforward. First, navigate to the Security tab of your repository and select Dependabot Alerts. From there, you can enable Dependabot for version updates, security updates, or both. You can also configure the frequency of updates and specify which dependencies to monitor. Once set up, Dependabot will start scanning your project and creating pull requests for any issues it finds. This proactive approach ensures that your project remains up to date and secure without requiring constant manual intervention. Dependabot excels at automating vulnerability analysis. It leverages GitHub's extensive vulnerability database to identify known security issues in your dependencies. When a vulnerability is detected, Dependabot creates a pull request to update the affected dependency to a secure version. These pull requests include detailed information about the vulnerability, its severity, and the recommended fix. This automated process ensures that vulnerabilities are addressed promptly, reducing the risk of security breaches and maintaining the integrity of your project. Licensing compliance is another critical aspect of dependency management. Using open source components with incompatible or restrictive licenses can lead to legal issues. Dependabot helps manage licensing compliance by scanning your dependencies for licensing information and flagging any potential issues. When a problematic license is detected, Dependabot creates a pull request to update or replace the dependency with a compliant version. This automation ensures that your project adheres to licensing requirements, avoiding potential legal complications, and ensuring that you can freely distribute your software. Keeping dependencies up to date is essential for maintaining compatibility and leveraging new features. However, updating dependencies can sometimes introduce breaking changes. Dependabot helps manage versioning by creating pull requests for minor and patch updates, which are less likely to introduce breaking changes. For major updates, Dependabot provides detailed information about the changes and potential impact, allowing developers to assess and test the updates before merging. This careful approach ensures that your project remains compatible with its dependencies while benefiting from the latest improvements. Dependabot offers extensive customization options to fit the specific needs of your project. You can configure the frequency of updates, specify which dependencies to monitor, and set rules for versioning. For example, you can choose to receive updates only for security vulnerabilities or set a schedule for regular updates. You can also exclude certain dependencies or versions if they are known to cause issues. This flexibility allows you to tailor Dependabot to your workflow, ensuring that it provides maximum benefit without disrupting your development process. Integrating Dependabot with your continuous integration, continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipeline enhances its effectiveness. When Dependabot creates a pull request, it can trigger your CI/CD pipeline to run automated tests, ensuring that the updates do not introduce any issues. This integration provides an additional layer of assurance, as updates are thoroughly tested before being merged. By automating both dependency management and testing, you can maintain a high level of security and stability in your project without manual intervention. Consider a case study of a software development team that successfully implemented Dependabot. The team was struggling with managing numerous dependencies across multiple projects, leading to frequent security vulnerabilities and compatibility issues. By integrating Dependabot, they automated the process of monitoring and updating dependencies. This resulted in a significant reduction in security vulnerabilities and improved overall project stability. The team could focus more on developing new features, knowing that Dependabot was handling dependency management. This case study highlights the tangible benefits of using Dependabot in real-world scenarios. To get the most out of Dependabot, follow these best practices. Regularly review and merge Dependabot pull requests to keep dependencies up to date. Configure Dependabot to focus on critical dependencies and security updates. Integrate Dependabot with your CI/CD pipeline to automate testing of updates. And customize Dependabot settings to fit your project's specific needs. Additionally, stay informed about new features and updates to Dependabot to leverage its full potential. By following these best practices, you can ensure that Dependabot effectively enhances the security and compliance of your projects. While Dependabot offers many benefits, there can be challenges in its implementation. For example, frequent updates can overwhelm developers, or updates might introduce breaking changes. To address these challenges, configure Dependabot to limit the frequency of updates and focus on critical dependencies. Use automated testing to catch issues early and involve your team in reviewing and merging updates. Additionally, stay informed about the dependencies you use and their update cycles. By proactively managing these challenges, you can ensure that Dependabot remains a valuable tool in your development process. The future of dependency management lies in further automation and integration. Tools like Dependabot will continue to evolve, offering more advanced features for vulnerability detection, licensing compliance, and versioning. Integration with other development tools and platforms will become more seamless, providing a unified approach to managing dependencies. As the software development landscape continues to evolve, staying ahead of dependency management trends will be crucial for maintaining secure and compliant projects. Dependabot represents a significant step towards this future, offering a robust solution for automating dependency management. In conclusion, automating the analysis of licensing, vulnerabilities, and versioning of open-source components with Dependabot is a crucial step towards maintaining secure and compliant software projects. By leveraging Dependabot's capabilities, you can save time, reduce risks, and ensure that your projects remain up to date with the latest security and compliance standards. Embracing automation in dependency management not only enhances the security and stability of your projects, but also allows your development team to focus on innovation and delivering value to users. Dependabot is an essential tool for any modern development workflow.